our stay on Lake Como, we made our way to Milan. We had to catch our next connection from there, but we also wanted to spend a couple of hours exploring the city. A very unpleasant situation happened on the train, but I'll tell you about that later. If you search for Milan on TikTok, you'll probably come across the trend, "What's in Milan?" And everyone references the Duomo. It's undoubtedly the highlight of the city and its most iconic landmark. If you have the time, I highly recommend going up to the rooftop because you can admire the Duomo's beautiful architecture up close and enjoy the stunning views of Milan from above. For a short trip like ours, it was very convenient that all the major attractions are located around the same square. We headed to the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, not only to take pictures and admire the luxurious shops, but also to take part in a local tradition. Located on the floor directly beneath the central glass dome, there is a mosaic depicting a prancing bull. According to the local legend and tourist superstition, if you place your right heel on the bull's testicles and spin clockwise 3 times, it will bring you good luck, prosperity, and guarantee your return to Milan. Trip to Milan. We are visiting all the tourist traps, as you can see. And we were fined in the SBB train because we accidentally boarded the first class and we didn't know, so just do check what you are boarding. Apart from that, everything seems to be great, but beware of pickpockets because they say it's a real problem here, especially in the subway. Another place you should visit is the historic Pasticceria Marchesi. Marchesi 1824 is one of Milan's oldest and most renowned pastry shops. Sometimes you assume that places in such prime locations are tourist traps, but that's definitely not the case here. We had to wait in line for a little while, but every dessert we ordered was absolutely amazing, so it's completely worth the hype. I think there is also a difference between waiting for a seated table and getting a spot at one of the standing tables if you just want a quick coffee and dessert. Another place you can visit in the city center is Starbucks, but not just any Starbucks. It's the Starbucks Reserve Roastery Milano, one of the company's flagship coffee destinations. You can watch coffee beans being roasted on site, transported through overhead copper pipes, and brewed using a variety of methods including pour-over, siphon, Chemex, and espresso. The roasting equipment itself is part of the attraction. You can also buy some really nice merchandise there. And I'd also like to answer the question, what's in Milan? While the Duomo is incredibly famous, there are so many other neighborhoods in Milan that are worth your attention. You can't really compare Milan to Rome in terms of number of historic buildings, but there are still plenty of interesting places to explore, including a modern district that's definitely worth visiting. Hopefully after your trip you'll be able to answer the question with more than just the Duomo. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.